Good morning. So I'm back in the studio. Today I'm going to work on this piece again, but what I wanted to talk about first was I have a class tomorrow called Minimalism, and it might not be the right title for the class. It's actually, what we're going to be doing is all about contour drawing. And what is contour drawing, you say? Well, contour drawing happens when you first start off a drawing or a painting. At least it should. It's a part of the process, and I've got a sample here which I didn't queue up. This one here is a sort of a concept idea that I was working on. As you can see, the contour drawing was here, and then I started adding in the values. Now last weekend, my class about values, all my students, they understand that. Maybe I should have done the contour drawing first. Tomato, tomato. This is a contour drawing. And it's actually a little bit more than a contour drawing because it does show the extreme darks and the extreme lights in here. And this is a way for you to start off when you're working on concepts for your artwork, or you're out in the field and trying to determine what it is you want to paint out of all that gorgeousness. Contour drawings are great because it helps you to hone in on that one very important thing, and so you start off drawing the big shapes, such as what I did with this one. Now this is, it looks funny, but it's a piece of rock, big piece of rock along the shores of Lake Superior. And this is a contour drawing of all the different big shapes within that rock. And I did use this. This was a study that I did use later on for a larger painting, which you'll be able to see when you come to my exhibition. And this is also it started off with a contour drawing. You can see the red bits in there was the contour. And then after I did the contour, I decided I want to push it a little further, and I did the values. And this also was the study sketch for a big 30 by 48 piece that I did, that you'll also be able to see at the exhibition. So yeah, right now, nobody has signed up for the class tomorrow. Yay! It's just going to be me. But if you want to come, get on the website, sign up. It starts at noon. It goes till 4. I don't lock you in. If you need to leave early, leave early. But we're going to be doing contour drawing like this, which is a lot of fun. Very freeing. You get to learn about building shapes and about line work and all that really cool stuff. And you don't have to bring anything. I have all the supplies. So go check it out. Okay? See ya.